So if you have found them anywhere other than Aldi's or Target, put it in the comments below so people can find them, because, you know, they're kind of hard to get. Once people find them, you know, either they snag them all up or, you know, people end up buying them for, you know, for all the right reasons, to give them to the kids and, of course, collectors. So... welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Well, it's that time of year again. It's the holiday season. Today is December 1st. And actually, it is Tom Daniel's birthday. And if you don't know who Tom Daniel is, well, you better Google it. Because Tom Daniel is the guy that did the Red Baron. He did the Sand Crab. He did the Paddy Wagon. Tom Daniel, the guy is one of my all-time favorite designers and a really cool guy and good friend of mine. But yeah, December 1st is Tom Daniel's birthday. All right, so wish him a happy birthday if you have him on any of your social media. All right, cool. All right, so it is the holiday season, like I said, and the stores right now are empty. So if you find anything, good luck. All right. But hopefully they will start coming in and filling up the stores real soon with some Hot Wheels, right? But I'm going to show you what we got so far just for the holidays. Let's go with the holiday cars that I found at Walmart. Let's go with those first. The packaging is really cool on these. There's nothing different about them. They're all the packaging is the same except for the last one. But there are 5 cars in the set. Number 1 is the 66 Ford 427 Fairlane. And I've always loved this car. It's a beautiful looking car. It is done in gold metallic, has a dark maroon interior. Window is tinted pretty good on it. The base is gold chrome and goes with the grille and the headlights, the front bumper, and the rear bumper. The tampos, just on the side, you got some brown, white, black, and a dark maroon, kind of like the interior. The wheels are gold chrome MC5s on white tires. And that is it for the 66 Ford 427 Fairlane. Number 2 is the Avant Garde. And that is done in, wow, that is a flat dark blue, has gold and white and black tampos on the side. The base is gold pearl plastic. Tires are white, and the wheels are gold chrome aero discs, big ones all the way around. Interior, it looks to be, yeah, it's gold, a light gold chrome, because you can see by the rear bumper there. And the canopy is a light blue tint, and there is no, well, this one here, there's no covering over the top at all. So check and see if you find any of these. Sometimes the roof is painted, but this one is not painted. The whole canopy is transparent light blue. And oh, the headlights. The headlights are the same as the canopy. Also, they are transparent light blue. You can see the grille also goes with the interior and the rear bumper, which is light gold chrome. There you go, the Avant Garde. Number 3 is the Ford Escort, and that is done in a satin red, satin dark red, kind of a maroonish red, I don't know. Interior is white. The windows are a transparent green, kind of in the middle of the road. And don't forget, you know, them green windows, they go from really light to really dark. So keep an eye out for those. Tampos on the side are dark green, gold, white, and black. Tires are white, and the wheels are gold chrome 5-spokes, small ones, all the way around. And the base is gold pearl plastic. Nothing really crazy about this one here, but there you go, the Ford Escort. Number 4 is a 15 Dodge Charger SRT. And that is done in a textured gray. And let's see, it's got black and gold tampos on the hood and roof. And along the side, it's got black, gold, and white tampos. The front grille, actually the lower part of the grille is black plastic, which goes with the black plastic base. Let's see what else. The interior is black, and man, the windows are really, really dark amber. All right, they are very, very dark, but they're amber. Tires are white, and they're all large ones, and the wheels are black painted Y5s. And that is it for this guy, the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. Last one up, number 5, is the Happy New Year 2022, and that is the Carbonator. And the base on this is a satin green. It's a metal base. The bottle looks like amber, a light amber. Interior is gold chrome. The bottle cap is gold chrome. The center section is gold chrome. The engine, or the afterburner, whatever that's supposed to be on the back there, is yellow plastic. Tampos are a really light green, light yellow, gold, and white on the top, and light yellow, gold, and white on the sides. The tires are white, and the wheels are gold chrome. Somebody told me what they were, and it totally left me. So if you're the guy, or anybody knows what the new name of these new swirl wheels are, put it in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll try to remember it. But right now I'm going to call them gold chrome swirl, the new style swirl wheels. And that is it. That is the Carbonator, which is number 5 for the group. And it is the Happy New Year car. Everybody's always looking for this one. All right. So there are all 5 of the holiday cars for 2021. Next up, we have the... this is the Advent calendar. My wife always gets this for me. She finds it at Aldi's. And one year we found them at Target. Those are the only 2 places we've ever found these at. So if you have found them anywhere other than Aldi's or Target, put it in the comments below so people can find them. Because, they're kind of hard to get. Once people find them, either they snag them all up, or, people end up buying them for all the right reasons, to give them to the kids and, of course, collectors. So this comes with 8 cars and a whole bunch of different stuff. 24 days of cool stuff. I will be opening this one day at a time, and we will have that episode up much later, because I'm going to put them all together. Makes it a lot easier. So this is the 2021 Advent calendar, and like I said, we found it at Aldi's. I didn't see any at Target, so we'll have to ask our buddy Brent, because he's always at Target. And last but not least, for the holiday season, we have the Hot Wheels Build Your Own Cookie Garage. And this is a gingerbread garage. This is, you can find this pretty much at any grocery store. We found this at Walmart. I found them at, let's see, it just says bakery on here. So this might be from Price Chopper. I don't know. But yeah, these are all around. This is, I haven't seen any different ones. This is the same one that they had last year. So you get a chance, you want to make something with the kids, or just make something to eat after a while, But yeah, it is the Hot Wheels Gingerbread Garage. All right. So that is it pretty much for the holiday stuff for 2021. You guys find anything other, for Hot Wheels holiday stuff, Christmas stuff, Hanukkah stuff? So, let us know in the comments below. Because we're always, everybody's always looking for stuff. Haven't seen any Hot Wheels Christmas ornaments this year. If you have, let us know who makes them and where you found them too. So, all right, cool. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it. Oh, by the way, check out the new official Mike Zarnock coloring book. All right, done by Fireball Tim Lawrence. Tim did an amazing job. It's on sale right now. You can get it at Amazon or Etsy. And I believe there might even be free shipping on there also. So if you can, if you want, hey, buy it for everybody for Christmas, right? For Christmas gifts. I've been hearing people buy 5, 10 of them just to give out to everybody. So it's the official Mike Zarnock Hot Wheels coloring book by Fireball Tim Publishing, or Fireball Publishing. And yeah, so check it out. It's on my website, MikeZarnock.com. It's on Fireball Tim's, all of his social media, all of my social media. I'm sure that you can find a link. Actually, just search Mike Zarnock coloring book, and you'll find it. They're $9.95, $9.99, free shipping, I believe. So check it out. It's really cool. All of my, actually 19 of my favorite Hot Wheels cars. And of course, you know me, there's always got to be a little history in there too. So for every one of those cars, there's a little bit of a paragraph or two about the car, about its history, or I like it. All right. Again, thank you very much for stopping by. Appreciate it. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And of course, hey, be kind to one another. Let's have fun. All right. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and we hope to see you real soon. Happy holidays, and happy birthday to Tom Daniel. All right, bye-bye.